Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Good morning, students. In today's session, we are going to start our sum number 11 from the exercise standard 12 accounts chapter 6 retirement or death of a partner. Moon, Star and Sun are partners of firms having profit and loss in equal ratio. It means Moon, Star and Sun are partners of firms. Sun retires on 31/3/2017. Moon and Star will distribute future profit and loss ratio in 5:1. The balance sheet on 31/3/2017 was as under. It means old ratio of partners are not given. Okay, we will take equally. Okay, old ratio and new ratio. Old ratio equally 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. New ratio of partners are given as a 5:1. It means 5/6, 1/6. Okay, to make denominator equal related to new ratio, we will multiply by 2/2 numerator as well as denominator for both the partners Moon and Star. Okay, it means old ratio 2/6 for Moon and old ratio of Star is 2/6. Okay, now gain ratio equals to new ratio minus old ratio. Gain of Moon equals to new ratio 5/6, old ratio 2/6, 6 equal denominator 5 minus 2 3/6. Gain of Star equals to 1/6 minus 2/6 equal denominator 1 minus 2 minus 1/6, it means sacrifice. Okay, total value of goodwill is of 60,000 and gain of Star instead of that sacrifice is given. That 60,000 will be multiplied by 1/6. Okay, it means 10,000 rupees for gain and Sun retirement ratio is 1/3 and the value of goodwill is 60,000. It means 60,000 multiplied by 1/3. It means 20,000 for Sun. Okay, as per the rules, retired partner account debited and the partner who are in the business continue partner account debited as per their gain ratio for goodwill. But in this sum, one partner sacrifice, Star is on sacrifice. Okay, it means instead of debit, that partner will also credit it. Fine. First, we will write down on partner's capital account debit side. Okay, to Star's capital account and to Sun's capital account. Okay, in Star's capital account 10,000 rupees and in Sun capital account 20,000 rupees. A credit side we will write down by Moon capital account in Star we will write down 10,000 and in Sun account we will write down 20,000 rupees. Fine. Now next adjustment is creditors are payable after 1 month, which are to be paid immediately at 12% discount per annum. Okay, it means on creditors. Fine. Note number 2. Now creditors, total amount of creditor is of rupees 60,000. 12% a discount okay, 12% discount on creditors after 1 month, it means 1 by 12. Fine. For 60,000 for 12% after 1 month. Okay. It means 600 rupees discount on creditors. Fine. Okay. First, that amount will be recorded on revaluation account credit side. By creditors account 600 rupees. Second effect, cash and bank account credit side. By creditors account an amount of rupees 59,400 after deducting 600 for discount. Okay. Computer written off from the books is now valued at rupees 12,000. Moon will take over the computer at this value. Okay. It means partners takes away the computer. For drawings for the partners capital account debit side, we will write down first two revaluation account. Fine. Okay. 12,000 rupees. Okay. Second effect, a revaluation account credit side by Moon's capital account. Okay. 12,000 rupees. Fine. After the retirement of Sun and Moon, Star will maintain their new capital. Maintain their capital in new profit and loss sharing ratio, and difference will transfer to cash and bank account. Okay. Later on, we will solve this adjustment afterwards after completing a balance sheet of the Sun. Okay. Now, balance sheet of the Sun. First, building. 2,40,000. Then machinery 1,30,000. Furniture 80,000. Stock 45,000. Okay. Then debtors 30,000 rupees. A bank balance, cash and bank account debit side. To balance BD, an amount of rupees 1,75,000. Okay. Then capital account 1,60,000 for Moon. Star account 2 lakh and Sun account 1,80,000. Okay, general reserve will be distributed between old partners as per their old ratio. 90,000 equal ratio, it means 30,000, 30,000 and 30,000. It's okay. Fine. After that, a bills payable 10,000. Okay. Now credit side of revaluation account is 12,600 rupees. Fine. Same amount 12,000. Okay. To partners capital account profit star and sun. Equal ratio. Okay, in equal ratio, it means 4200 for moon, 4200 for star, and 4200 in a sun account. Okay, by revolution account 4200, 4200 and 4200. Okay, now we are going to solve last adjustment that after retirement of sun, moon and star will maintain their capital in new profit and loss sharing ratio, and the difference is transferred to bank account. Okay, in note number 3, first we are going to find out calculation related to new capital. Okay, calculation of capital of new firm of moon and star. Okay, now in working note, note number 3, calculation of capital of new firm of moon and star maintained in new ratio. Okay, last adjustment. In the last adjustment of the sum, it is given that after retirement of sun and moon, star will maintain their capital in new profit and loss sharing ratio, and difference is to be transferred to bank account. Okay. Okay. Now capital of moon. After completing all adjustment, credit side total is 1,94,200 and debit side total is an amount of rupees 40,000. After deducting that amount, remaining amount of rupees 1,52,200 rupees. Okay, new capital. Then capital star. Credit side total is of rupees 2,44,200. Debit side 0. Okay, it means remaining balance 2,44,200 rupees. Total capital of new firm, it means balance CD. Okay, total capital of new firm for both capital of moon as well as capital of star. Total capital of new firm is an amount of rupees 3,96,400. And as per the last adjustment of this sum, it is said that this new capital is to be distributed between old partners as per their new profit sharing ratio. Okay, it means capital distributed in new profit and loss sharing ratio of 5:1. For first new capital of moon, 3,96,400 multiplied by 5/6. It means new capital is an amount of rupees 3,30,333 rupees. Okay, new capital of star is an amount of rupees 3,96,400 multiplied by 1/6, an amount of rupees 66,067 rupees. Okay, this new capital, it means balance CD. Okay, this amount of balance CD will be written on partners capital account debit side to balance CD 3,30,333 in moon and 66,067 rupees in star. Okay, after doing the total including this amount, okay, moon debit side is more than the credit side. Okay, it means debit side total is an amount of rupees 3,72,333, and after deducting credit amount, difference is an amount of rupees 1,78,173. This amount will be transferred to cash account. Okay, here we will write down by cash account. Debit side we will write down to moon's capital account 1,78,133 rupees. Okay, in star credit side total is an amount of rupees 2,44,200. Okay, after deducting this amount, there is a difference amount of rupees 1,78,133. This amount will also return as a to cash account. Okay, it means moon will bring cash and star will withdraw cash, an amount of rupees 1,71,333. Okay, debit side will transfer to credit side and we will write down by star's capital account 1,78,133 rupees. Okay, fine. Now closing sun's capital account, total an amount of rupees 2,34,200. Okay, total amount of difference is an amount of rupees 2,34,200. This amount will return as a to son's loan account and return on balance sheet liability side son's loan amount of rupees 2,34,200. Okay, after closing cash account, debit side total is of rupees 3,53,133. Deducting this amount, there is a balance of rupees 1,15,600 rupees. Okay, this amount will transfer to balance sheet asset side cash and bank balance an amount of rupees 1,15,600. Okay, by totaling liability side. Okay, total of liability side is of rupees 6,40,600. Same total is on balance sheet asset side 6,40,600 rupees. Okay, equal total is there. And today in today's session we have completed our chapter. Okay, goodbye. Take care all of you.